Hi, my name is Cheney, and I'm a cartographer for Benchmark Maps, here to talk about how to use your Benchmark Road and Recreation Atlas. Most of our atlases have 4 primary sections: regional maps, recreation maps and guides, landscape maps, and an index. The regional maps are the first maps you'll encounter in the book. There's a U.S. highways map showing the contiguous U.S. with a mileage table to major cities in the title state, a regional map zooming in to show the state in context with its neighbors, plus more detailed mileage tables, and a state map with an index of major cities and towns. This map also features mileages between major intersections to help you start planning your trip, but the best trip planning tools are found in the next section, hinted at by these green boxes. This is the Recreation Map Index, showing you where to find each part of the state in the next section. Let's go to page 26. Here in the Rec section, we have our intermediate scale of maps, zooming in from the regional views to see more cities, roads, and recreation destinations, plus more detailed public land boundaries. These maps work together with the listings on the facing page, categorized by topic and full of information about parks, museums, campgrounds, and other points of interest. Alphanumeric references help you locate a point of interest on the map, using the reference grid that frames it. This index shows where locations on the Rec maps can be found on the landscape maps, the most detailed series of maps in the book. Bishop is up here on the main map and right here in the index map, so let's go to page 110. Now we're in the landscape maps, with the highest level of detail for roads, terrain, hydrology, and public lands, thanks to our team of expert field checkers. These maps are perfect for navigating when out in the field, or for the most detailed stages of planning as you pick out back roads, trailheads, and campsites along your route. The index is last, a handy reference to find locations throughout the atlas. It's broken into categories, so let's say you're looking for Mount Shasta. You'd find the terrain features section, then scan through the M's to find Mount Shasta. 59 is the page number, and A11 is the grid reference. Turn to page 59, then find where A and 11 meet, and there it is. The inside front cover has legends for the recreation and landscape maps, whenever you need to look up what a certain symbol means. And the back cover has a grid of landscape maps for quick and easy reference. Find your spot, and the blue number gives you the page to turn to. Now all that's left is to get out there and start exploring.